Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering raw material, strengths, values, and interests, so you have something concrete to shape. First, list 5 of each within 30 minutes to avoid overthinking. This gives you honest signals. Once done, ask 3 trusted people for concrete examples of when you looked most energized, because outside perspective highlights blind spots. Finally, commit to a 3-month experiment of small projects that test patterns. This forces evidence over aspiration and starts momentum you can iterate on. Now deepen by looking for recurring themes across your notes. Make a Venn diagram that overlaps strengths, values, and external opportunities, because patterns live at the intersections. Then schedule a weekly 20-minute reflection where you rate each activity's energy and impact on a 1 to 10 scale. This quantifies intuition and reveals trends. Parallel to that, prototype by volunteering, freelancing, or shadowing for 2 to 4 weeks. Practical trials teach you faster than pure thinking and refine your vision. Finally, commit to one promising direction and break it into 6 to 12-month milestones with 90-day action cycles so progress becomes trackable. Make sure to measure monthly. Track output, engagement, and financial viability, because data tells you whether to persist or pivot. If things stall, troubleshoot by reducing scope, soliciting mentor feedback, or pausing one variable to isolate the issue. This eliminates noise. Stay adaptable. Vision grows through iteration, not one perfect decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.